Hello guys and welcome back again, and thank you for tuning in. What we have in this jar here is a super glue, and that's what we'll be doing today. Let's dive right into the video. So for this glue, these are the things we'll be needing. We need this and the mixing cup and this jar. For a longer shelf life, we need to store this in a jar. So here I have my gasoline or petrol or whatever it is called right in your end. So now we'll just be breaking the styrofoam into pieces, and then I'll pour in my gasoline and allow it to melt. So I'll keep doing this on and on until I have a very thick consistency. Let's keep watching. I'll just stuff it in, just as you can see. I'll stuff a lot of it, a lot. If you're making this, you need a lot in order to get a desired result. So as you can see now, I have a thick consistency, but not as thick as I want. So I'll just keep stuffing it in until I'm okay. So now I've done that off camera, and I'll just pour it into my jar. Like I said, for a longer shelf life, you have to store it in a jar. You can use this glue you can use it on wood, you can use it on plastic, you can use it on anything you want to glue that you want firm. You can try this out, but it is toxic, so you have to be careful. While you have children around, you have to be careful. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my